Are you looking for a quick and easy way to have your students listen to questions read aloud in Google Forms? So today I'm going to show you how to do that easily using the Mote extension. So first thing you want to do is you want to go to mote.com. And once you're in mote.com, you're going to notice that there is a button right here that says Add to Chrome. So we're going to add this to our Chrome browser. And it's going to say, are you sure? We're going to say yes. And you're going to notice two things. Number one, we have the icon now that popped up letting us know that we have installed it. And it's also going to ask us our age. You're going to click the acknowledgement and sign in with Google. Now make sure you are using the Google account that you're going to be using, obviously, right? So once we're in, we can exit out of this. The one thing I highly recommend doing at this point is going to your browser bar and clicking on the extension puzzle piece. Find Mote in your menu here, which is right here, and click the pin. So now we have it pinned to our Chrome browser bar. So now it's easy access. From here, you can either access a new Google form in your Google Drive, or we can just click forms.new and a new Google form will show up. So obviously, if this was a true Google form, we would give it a title and add a lot of questions. But just for the sake of demonstration, I'm just going to do one example here. So this is just a little pop-up that says, yes, we can use our Motepad, which is the clever name they chose, of the library where your audio notes are being stored. And it says we can use those to add audio answers in Google Forms. We're going to click on it. If you notice, you'll see that this purple Mote button is here, which you would not see unless you had installed the extension. So I'm just going to write down a sample question. So number one, what career path do you plan to pursue after high school? Option one, the arts. We can say agriculture, fashion, design. Okay, so this is just a sample question. I'm just going to put 3 options here. So once we have our questions, then we can go ahead and click on this Mote button. You're going to have 30 seconds from the time you press it, and it'll give you a little timer showing the countdown. But you'll have 30 seconds to record your audio for this specific question. Every question after that has 30 seconds also. So let's try this. Number 1, what career path do you plan to pursue after high school? The arts, agriculture, fashion and design. So once I'm finished, I just click the purple button again, and it's going to think for a minute, and then it'll automatically give you a description for that question where the audio link is stored. So if you want to test this out and see, oh, I want to see what this looks like or sounds like, you can go to your preview in Google Forms, and you'll notice there's like a little audio player there, and you can actually test it out and listen to what they're listening to. So let's try that right now. Number 1. What career path do you plan to pursue after high school? The arts, agriculture, fashion and design. And so along with this little player, you can go back. You can also adjust the volume. Usually if I have a student who is listening to something being read aloud, I'll give them headphones, but it gives the students a little bit more control there. So that's basically the gist of it. You can add more questions and do the same thing. You can read the question aloud and then read the answers, or you can offer even more explanation to that question. So this is ready to go. You would just name it, finish it up, and then you would give this to the student either in Google Classroom or in an email, just as you would with a normal Google Forms. Except now they have the ability to listen to each question being read aloud. So especially if you have students who have difficulties with reading or require a read aloud accommodation, this is an easy way to offer that without it taking too much time. It's very quick and easy, self-explanatory, done, and then you can use it again next time. So again, this is called Mote. I hope you found this video informational, and give it a try. Let me know what you think. Is it easy to use? What did your students think? I would love to hear some feedback in the comments. Thanks, guys, and we'll see you next time.